In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Jira epic in Confluence. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to reference an existing Jira epic right inside a Confluence page so your team can see context and details without jumping between tools. First, open your browser and head to Atlassian.com. If you're new to Atlassian, click Sign Up to create your account. This gives you access to both Jira and Confluence under the same login. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in so everything flows smoothly. Next, go to the space or project in Jira where your epic is located. This is typically your projects board or backlog. Take a moment to find the epic you want to reference. You can scroll through your epics list or use the search bar if you have many items. When you found the right epic, click the three-dot icon next to it to open the options menu. From that drop-down, choose Copy Link. This copies a direct link to the epic to your clipboard, which is exactly what we'll paste into Confluence. Now open a new tab and go to Atlassian.com Software Confluence. Because you're already logged in with your Jira account, you should see an option to go to Confluence. Click that to jump directly into your Confluence site. Once you're in Confluence, click Create at the top. From the drop-down, select what you want to create. A blank page is perfect for most cases, but you can choose any template that fits your documentation style. Give the page a clear title so your teammates know what this page is about. On the new page, place your cursor in the editor, right-click and choose Paste. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+V on Windows. If you're on a Mac, Command+V works the same way. That's it. The epic link you copied from Jira is now in your Confluence page. Confluence typically recognizes Jira links and displays them as a smart link. If you prefer, you can keep it as a plain link or switch the display style to match your page layout. This simple paste connects your documentation with your work items, helping everyone see the epic's status, key details, and related issues at a glance, all from within Confluence. It's fast, clean, and keeps your team on the same page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical how-tos just like this.